Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Steamtools purchase error or no license error. So if you're getting this error in your Steam, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to delete appinfo.vdf and packageinfo.vdf file. Now please take a note, you can keep the backup of these two files to desktop first because deleting the appinfo.vdf file in Steam located in app cache removes local cache data regarding game configurations. But it does not remove installed games, save game files or account information. So it is safe to delete. So first of all, you have to close the Steam completely so that this fix work. So close the Steam. Now on the system tray, click on this arrow icon. And if you say Steam is running, then right click on it and then click on exit Steam. This will close the Steam. Also right click on the system tray and then open task manager and here search for Steam. Steam is not running, but in your case if Steam is running, then right click on it and then click on end task. And after closing the Steam completely, now open File Explorer, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open the app cache folder, and here you will see appinfo.vdf and packageinfo.vdf. Select both the file, right click on it and then select copy. After copying it, go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of these two files. And after keeping the backup, right click on it and then click on delete to delete it. Now you can go ahead and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to clear download cache. So open Steam. So in Windows search type Steam and open it. Once the Steam is open, go to Steam settings, go to downloads tab and then next to clear download cache, click on clear cache. This will automatically close the Steam and will restart the Steam, and then you can go ahead check if your error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these two fixes, you can easily solve Steamtools purchase error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.